Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube videos in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your desktop is ready to use. This ensures that all your system resources are available and that any downloads will save properly to your designated folders. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows desktop and open a web browser of your choice. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you prefer. These browsers will allow you to access the online tools needed for downloading YouTube videos directly to your computer. Now, head to google.com in your browser's address bar. Once the Google homepage loads, type in YouTube Downloader in the search field and press enter. You'll see a list of results featuring various YouTube downloader websites and tools. Take a moment to look through the results and select a reliable YouTube downloader from the list. Click on the link to open the downloader's website. This will take you to the tool's main dashboard where you can begin the download process. On the YouTube downloader's website dashboard, you'll notice a URL field prominently displayed. This is where you'll paste the link to the YouTube video you want to download. To get this link, open YouTube in another tab, find the video you want and copy its URL from the address bar. Then, return to the downloader website and paste that YouTube video URL into the field provided. This tells the downloader exactly which video you want to save to your computer. After pasting the URL, click on the download button. The website will process the video link and display the video's thumbnail below the URL field. This confirms that the downloader has recognized your video and is ready to proceed with the download. You'll also see a drop-down selection menu under the media section. This menu allows you to choose the quality of the video you wish to download, whether that's high definition, standard definition, or a lower quality option, depending on your storage space and viewing preferences. Select your preferred video quality from the drop-down menu by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, click on the Start button to begin the download process. The downloader will now fetch the video file and save it directly to your computer's default downloads folder. This process may take a few moments depending on the video's length and your internet connection speed, so just give it a minute to complete. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded a YouTube video on Windows 11 using an online downloader tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.